Good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening, or good night. This is Jen at Jen's Arty Inclinations, a place to create, share, and play.
Hello, hello, hello. I'm doing the Simply Random Challenge, which is hosted by Junk Journal Inspirations, and these are the prompts for this week.
White travel, sewn, notepaper, bottle caps, and tickets. Alrighty, so this is my white. As you can see, it's just a Jats piece of cardboard, and then that's my composition paper or my notebook paper. There is my travel, and I've made it a map of Canberra. Why not? Now, I made the white by just putting some gesso over Jats cardboard packaging. These are my little bottle caps, so that's an actual bottle cap that I've cut out, and then some pictures of, well, they're not strictly bottle caps, they're actually corks, but some champagnes have screw tops. No, I don't think they do. But the bottles, the actual bottles do have screw tops, which are sort of like caps. Anyway, all I'm doing here is I'm just pasting my little map over the top. These maps are nice because they're quite matte. Lovely. It's a kids atlas that I found at the secondhand shop, so I was very happy with that. I'm just scoring it down, and I'll actually put this under weight overnight. And then I'm just inking around the edges because I felt just to make that pop a little bit against the background of the other New South Wales map. And I use the New South Wales map page because Canberra is within New South Wales. It's a territory. Anyway, here's my sewn bit. I thought it'd be cute just to sew around the edge of the front cover, and that actually did work out nicely. I did a few different stitches. I did some cross stitches, as you can see here. It's not this pristine finish, it's more just a rough, really hand finished look. So I just used a normal needle for this, and it's actually some macrame thread that I've got that I use for some of my micro macrame here, but you can't quite see it. It's a really lovely dusty blue, which is quite nice. And all these colours work because you've got the white background, and I liked the fact that because I gessoed it, it wasn't that really crisp, pristine white. It's more, you see a little bit of show through from the packaging and so forth, which I think is quite nice. I also had this lovely little glassine white bag that had a little gusset, and I thought that'd be really cute on the inside cover, just to, you could pop a ticket for a train. It is a little travel notebook or something like that after all. Plus, it just enclosed the back of the sewing. So all I'm doing here is I'm actually sewing in the signature now. It's a single page signature and I've just caught the front of that. Oh, sorry, it's not a single page signature. It's a 2-page signature, and I've just caught the very edge rather, of the little paper bag, and I'm popping inside the front cover. Then it was time for me to go back and embellish the front cover and just include the other things that were in the challenge. I tried really hard to get that bottle cap bit that I'd cut out into the actual front, but I really couldn't work out how to make it work. So I did just use the pictures of the bottle lids and also of the actual champagne. I thought that's nice. I thought that pass out ticket was a bit humorous. When you're in Canberra, you either pass out or you need a pass out of Canberra. I'm not quite sure what I was trying to infer, but I don't know. Somehow it mildly amused me. So then I simply went around the edges and I used some inking just to give the front that little bit of a finish and give it a bit of a border. I popped a ticket in the back, and I popped in the front another one of the champagne bottles, and voila. And so white in the border and in the bag that's on the inside cover, travel with the maps, and then I've got the sewn front obviously around it. I've got the bottle caps in there on the inside and on the front, and the little strip. I've got the ticket as well, and I've got the ticket in the back. So there's my little finished project. I hope you enjoy it. This is nice and slim. It'll fit into any little journal pocket. And here it is properly, so you can have a good look at it. I think it's really cute with that little glassine bag in the front, so I might do that again. Sewing it in just kept it really nice and secure as well. So again, another fun one. Thank you, Emily, and I'll see you on the flip side. Take care.
You can like and subscribe below, and as always, keep creating. See you next time. Bye.